Yeah, it's now.
It starts now.
Donald.
I'm here because I love Demo3D. It's really awesome stuff, and this makes my job a lot easier.
So, this is your first UGM?
Yes,
Enjoying it so far?
of course.
So, what's been the highlight for you?
I guess it's just probably seeing how everyone else uses it and how the many different ways that you can use Demo3D. Pretty ridiculous how much you can do with the program, which is pretty cool. So seeing that side of it's pretty neat and stuff that maybe we were able to do further down the road. So.
Did you have a good time last night?
Yes.
Excellent.
Yeah.
All right. Coming again next year?
Of course.
Great, thank you. Christy, back again. So, what's been the highlight this time?
Just seeing what everybody else is doing with the software. I always like to come for that, and sharing what we're doing as well.
All right. So, Mark, you presented here. Thank you very much for that. What has been the highlight for you?
I've learned a lot more about the product. There are certain things I didn't know how to do or how to do efficiently. I've learned shortcuts. I've met a lot of people and gotten a lot of ideas on different things that people are doing, shared my ideas. It's been a great interaction.
So your first user group meeting here at Emulate3D?
Yep, that's correct.
Okay. So what's been the highlight for you?
For me, it's nice to see, like I had mentioned, I hadn't used the software in a few years, like to see how far it's come. I think the CAD stuff, especially like knowing that it's that easy to import now, is like definitely pretty exciting. I can see a lot of new uses out of it. So.
Great. Okay. Well, thanks for coming.
Thank you.
So, Charles, have you enjoyed it?
I have so far, yeah.
Okay. Anything in particular you've been attracted by?
I think it's really interesting to see how a lot of your customers are using the software to emulate production.
So, first time at the user group meeting. You enjoyed it so far?
Yeah, I'm enjoying it a lot. I'm learning a lot too that maybe my company could possibly use in the future as well. So.
All right, great. So, what's been the high spot for you?
I don't know, probably actually the control panels that he just snuck in, because that might be something that might be helpful for us to test our control systems and stuff. So.
All right. So Jason, back again. Lovely to see you again.
That's good being here.
So you've enjoyed it so far?
Oh, absolutely. There's been some new reveals this time and stuff that integrates directly to what I do.
Well, good. Yeah, that's right. Your attention was taken up by the CAD as the model,
yes.
SolidWorks add-in integration.
Yep.
And that'll be something that your company will be interested in.
Yeah, very much so. We basically do all of our modeling in SolidWorks and initial design of OEM machines that we can now bring right over to Demo3D and start doing simulations for ourselves. It's pretty cool.
Well, great. Thanks very much.
No problem.
Yeah, I've really enjoyed it. I've learned a lot. It's really cool to see all of the technology that people are doing and how they're implementing Demo3D, and I'm excited to go back and start doing some of the implementation as well.
What caught your attention this year?
Well, Andy's process catalog and process emulation is pretty amazing. Some of the VR work I've seen is pretty cool. I love coming here. It's like summer camp every year, even if it's done in the winter.
So, Tim, back
yes.
again.
Yes, of course. Wouldn't miss it.
You've enjoyed it this time?
I have, very much.
What was the high spot this time?
I think the CAD as the model was definitely the highlight for me. It's opens up a lot of doors, a lot of possibilities for what we can do with a model and how we can take our CAD and make it function in a model. So I'm excited about that.
All right, great. See you here again next year?
Of course.
All right, thanks very much.
The UGM I wouldn't miss. Every year it's on our calendar, and the advanced training was especially useful this year.
The which bit?
The advanced training that Mike and company did the first day was wonderful.
Okay, and of the presentations, what sort of things have stood out for you?
Well, I think, as always, it's great to see what other users do that are not in line with the tutorials and whatnot. The creative applications that can be done with the tool is really wonderful to see.
First time at the user group meeting. Had fun?
Yeah, it's been great.
Okay.
Well fed.
Any of the presentations or the technology stand out in particular?
Yeah, I got a lot of thoughts bouncing around my head trying to come up with some ideas when I get back to the office and see what we can incorporate. CAD as the model is really
Right. Yeah.
really exciting to.
That's a big one. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's really neat. So that way, I think I'll be able to contribute right away to our 3D model or our demo 3D, which Alex is doing. So yeah, it's exciting. Good
Great.
stuff.
Well, we look forward to supporting you with that. All right.
Appreciate it.
See you again next year, we hope.
Oh yeah,
Thank
absolutely.
you.
Thank you.
All right. Well, great. We'll see you again next year. Thank
I'll be
you.
here.